Conservation science is an ever-changing field, and it's critical that biologists stay up to date on the latest research, especially for evolving topics like climate change, genetics, modeling, and others. In this episode of Conservation Skills in 10 Minutes or Less, we're going to show you how to quickly stay up to date on the latest research using a search alert in the web of science.
Hi, I'm Burdi. I'm the librarian for the Fish and Wildlife Service, and today I'm going to tell you about creating search alerts in Web of Science. Web of Science is a citation indexing platform that can allow you to find and download full-text articles. You can also use Web of Science to stay abreast of developments and new literature in your research area. I will show you how to create search alerts in Web of Science to get alerts when new articles, conference proceedings, or other publications are available. Go to webofknowledge.com, or you can access Web of Science through the Conservation Library homepage under the Begin Your Research tab. Be sure to authenticate through your institution, since Web of Science is a subscription resource. For Fish and Wildlife employees, you'll need to be on the network or signed in to VPN. If you're new to Web of Science, click on Sign In the upper right-hand corner and click on Register to create an account. In addition to search alerts, there are other benefits of signing up for an account, like saved searches, citation alerts, and more. If you have an account, click Sign In. To make your search alert useful, carefully craft your search. Start with your research question. Think of the core concepts from the question and brainstorm synonyms or related topics. An example, what is the impact of climate change on biodiversity and coastal ecosystems? The core concepts here are climate change, biodiversity, and coastal ecosystems. Brainstorm synonyms and related concepts, whether those concepts are broader or narrower. Related terms or synonyms for climate change are global warming, severe weather, extreme weather, and habitat loss. For biodiversity and coastal ecosystems, there are also some synonyms, related concepts, and narrower terms that you could use. You can use Boolean operators, which are words that can be combined with keywords to speak to the database. Boolean operators should always be capitalized. They include and, or, not, and any wildcard characters like an asterisk. I'm going to use these Boolean operators to combine my keywords into an effective search. So instead of searching for my research question, I'm going to search with this query. Quotes, like around climate change and global warming, ensure that the exact phrase is found. And combines concepts. So biodiversity and coasts or estuaries will be both present in the field when I search with this query. The wildcard character, which here is the asterisk, allows me to search for different forms of words like biodiverse and biodiversity, coast and coastal, and estuary and estuaries. Parentheses, which I put around each phrase where I use or, to designate that either of those keywords would be acceptable in my search results, helps structure the search. Searching using the topic field searches across title, abstract, and keywords, but you can select any field which is most appropriate for your inquiry. Click Search. From your search results, click Create an Alert and name your alert. Once you've created your search alert, you can edit your preferences by clicking on Manage Alerts. The default frequency for email notification is weekly. To edit this, by alerts, click on More Info. Scroll down and select the frequency with which you'd like to be notified. You can be notified daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also delete your alert or inactivate existing alerts. Remember that you can set up multiple search alerts, since your search query may not be able to encompass every concept that you wanted to include. For quickly evolving areas of research, search alerts can be a great tool to help you stay up to date.